Hi! How are you studying today? Today, we'll learn about photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts of plant cells, using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen.
Chloroplasts are the main site of photosynthesis. Inside them, structures called thylakoids capture sunlight with chlorophyll.
The simple equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water with sunlight produces glucose and oxygen.
The first stage is the light reaction. Sunlight energy splits water molecules, releasing oxygen and creating energy carriers, ATP and NADPH. Animated cycle diagram inside chloroplast stroma showing CO2 entering, ATP and NADPH used, and glucose formed. Photosynthesis is essential for life. It provides oxygen for breathing and glucose for energy, supporting all living organisms. To summarize, photosynthesis has two stages: light reactions and the Calvin cycle. Together, they create glucose and oxygen, powering life on Earth.